Hello everyone, this is Anya Dew, and I will be talking about why new teachers don't make it past the 5th year of teaching. So, the National Center of Education Statistics did a 5-year study from 2007 to 2012 and found that 54% of new teachers do not make it past their 5th year of teaching. And the study was broken down into waves, waves 1 through 5. The first wave, 2007 to 2008, 10% of new teachers did not return. From 2008 to 2009, 15% did not return. 2010 to 2011, 15% did not return. From 2011 to 2012, 17% did not return, which gave us the 54% total over that 5-year period. So when considering why there's such a high rate of teachers, new teachers, who don't make it past their 5th year of teaching, it's important to know what the teacher's job entails and examine what it is about the teacher's job that may be turning away so many new teachers. So here are some of the duties of a teacher. They include lesson planning, grading papers, behavioral management, parent-teacher communication, and staff meetings. Okay? So that's the teacher's job, or some of the tasks they have to manage daily. So the difficulties in teachers having class. And so now we're looking at a study that was done in 2010 at the University of Mississippi School of Education. I just took several comments that I thought were pretty insightful from a teacher education program evaluation. This was answered by students. It was answered by students and student teachers, university supervisors, and cooperating teachers. Okay. So somebody put a teacher said expectations related to classroom management, content knowledge, discipline, instruction, differentiation, and other professional responsibilities could frighten the best of the beginning teachers. Can frighten the best of these beginning teachers. And then another teacher put, from experience I can tell you that panic sets in when first-year teachers faced with a mountain of forms, previous year's test scores, folders full of student information, a few scavenged classroom supplies, and a teacher's addition. So the fears and struggles of being a new teacher are addressed, and based on what was found in research, new teacher struggles can be broken down into 3 main categories: classroom management, lesson planning, data analysis. So based off of what I found, those are the 3 areas that I found the most information in. And so new teachers need more resources during their beginning years to help guide them, and especially in these 3 areas. Moon and Wilson state inevitably classroom management is closely related to instruction, and to ensure the classroom is effectively managed, teachers must be confident of their ability to set clear expectations and goals, model positive behaviors, and enforce consequences when needed. However, for many teachers, this is an area of difficulty. 2 teachers from the School of Education at the University of Mississippi that responded to the teacher education program evaluation said they were talking specifically of the course in this teacher education program. EDCI 409 needs to be improved to better benefit student teachers who are dealing with real-world situations and guidelines. Another teacher put strategies learned in classes consisted primarily of theories that fail to work in a real classroom. So these were comments from an education program where there's face-to-face instruction and student teaching offered. And so this is interesting to me because this doesn't speak of new teachers who started teaching through an alternative teaching program. And there are many alternative teaching programs available now. And a lot of those programs are on a teach-yourself basis. These are self-paced and self-taught. Information is there, but you go over it yourself. And so, with a program that is specifically made to prepare teachers for teaching, with instructors, actual instructors available in student teaching, is complaining of something not being beneficial or realistic, like saying they're not dealing with real world situations and guidelines, or that the theories fail to work in the real classroom, then one can only imagine what teachers in these alternative certification programs may be feeling when it comes to classroom management, because this is something that was done all online, and the application and the strategies of classroom management. Oh, not the here. Sorry, excuse me. The strategies and methods of classroom management are different. That's one thing, and then the application is another. So there needs to be guidance and mentorship in the area of classroom management for new teachers. Now, lesson planning. So, Jay Matthews found that of more than 8,000 Teach for America teachers nationwide, 41% said their schools or districts provided them with few or no instructional resources, such as lesson plans. When classroom materials were provided, they were seldom useful. So 41% have no instructional resources or lesson plans, and when they are provided, they're not useful. And lesson planning is another area of confusion for many new teachers, because there are multiple things that need to be considered when planning a lesson. And Judy Cunningham basically states this in the advice that she gives in her book, When New Teachers Can Be Completed. She says, to ensure that you are teaching school district and state academic expectations, it is important to study the standards for learning you might come with the curriculum and examine the school calendar and pacing guide. Considering this is something new teachers have not done before, there's a clear need for guidance in the area of lesson planning. When Tillery and McDougall found that new teachers often take a long way to develop their lesson plans than experienced teachers, and thus daily lesson planning is challenging. So this is the main job of a teacher, to create a lesson plan. So it's understandable that it can be an area of stress, because if you don't know how to create lessons and teach your students, and new teachers can be left feeling like you don't know how to do their jobs essentially. And so lesson planning is another area of need for guidance. And next we have data analysis. Data analysis has a great deal to do with lesson planning, because according to the National Association of Elementary School Principals, teachers need to systematically and routinely use data to guide instructional decisions and meet student learning needs. However, Lehman and Jimmerson found that educators struggle with using data to inform practice, citing issues such as data systems, principal leadership, time, and the lack of knowledge about how to best use data to improve instruction. And so analyzing data is another area of stress and confusion for new teachers, and there's need here for workshops to go over how to analyze student assessments and performance, and how to use that in creating instruction that meets student needs. In each of these three areas that bring most of the challenges to new teachers, there's a need for constant communication. That's something that I noticed in the research. The lack of constant communication is where the disconnect comes in. Kelly Michaela says in her research, first, it is important that principals and teachers speak the same language regarding supervision. And yeah, that's where the confusion or the disconnect happens. And when there's not constant communication, the right questions are usually not being answered. New teachers are met with predetermined programs and orientations. However, once the school year starts, continuous mentorship would be ideal so the real-life problems that are faced in class can be addressed as they happen. Constant communication with new teachers ensures that everyday problems are being heard and the proper resources are found for them. It's important that new teachers are clear on what it is they need from their principals and where they struggle, and it's also important that principals are clear on what the expectations are for teachers and the resources available for them. Constant communication will also ensure that, like I always said, that the right questions are being answered. And so, that's all. Thank you. Hope that was insightful to listen to.